So we just arrived to MSC's private island, Ocean Cay Marine Serve. And you see here we're getting escorted by our butler to the yacht club area to where we can get a little golf cart and on our way to the yacht club experience.
Some interesting facts about Ocean Cay. It has 8 total beaches, 1.5 miles of beachfront. Coco Cay, for example, only has 4 beaches. And get this, it's only 65 miles south of Miami. Now you do have your Wi-Fi and your drink package that will work on the island, unlike NCL when I was on their island recently and it did not. You will have to, however, sign off the Wi-Fi on the ship to sign back onto the Wi-Fi on the island, but that's pretty easy to do. Just follow the instructions.
We are on the tram, Ocean Cay, getting a private ride.
Works of our perks of being handicapped in the front row.
Not being handicapped in the yacht club.
We are off in this glorified golf cart to the yacht club area to go to the Ocean House restaurant for a bite to eat. But the beach there isn't the best. It's very gravelly and large rocks. So if you really want to go to the nicest beaches on the island, I'd recommend the Sneakers Family Cove and the Lighthouse Bay Beach. There are 9 altogether.
So the drivers take you to the most northwest part of the island, which is the Yacht Club Guest House. And this is a restaurant exclusively for Yacht Club members and just has the most breathtaking views. I loved it. And you could see iguanas climbing on the rocks. It was pretty cool. And these pathways are really nice because they take you all the way to the Yacht Club beach area. And they do have amenities here. They've got the bathrooms in the guest house. They've got bar service. So, and there's Mr. Cheeser there. Always trying to hitch a ride.
As you can see on the right, they're still doing some serious construction on the island from when they shut it down back in April for a month, and it looks like they're going to be doing upgrades to the island like this for about the next year, we were told. One of the areas we heard they were going to upgrade, hopefully in this next year, is the Yacht Club beach area you just saw, because it is pretty rocky. Not this rocky, but pretty rocky. I do know they're going to increase the Ocean House restaurant, and they're going to add some more permanent bathroom facilities for the yacht club area. There she is, Aqua Woman. She's ready to swim off and rejoin her pack.
I do recommend that you bring some water shoes or wear your sandals or something in the water because it is pretty rocky. So this is the Yacht Club exclusive beach area. It's really nice despite the rockiness of the beach area inside the water, but you get an umbrella, you get your chairs, you still have butler service. They have a prepared lunch. It's not a buffet style. They bring it to you. You just go up to the guest house. Water's provided throughout the beach day. It's a really nice environment. Oh, and you see that out there? They do have like shark nettings, so that way you feel a little bit safer. Although I have heard that they've had some little nurse sharks come through the area at times.
The water is pretty warm.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
It's nice.
Well, it is freaking
There's Boo-Boo. This is how you relax and read a book, but you can't because it's so sunny, but you need your glasses.
And your gloves.
So you have your sunglasses on first and then your reading glasses. It works. So we had lunch and now we're back at the beach, just relaxing. We got our leg up, reading a book, and just enjoying the time. So we're just waiting now at the Yacht Club guest house, meeting house. for our tram to go back to ship. And how was your day?
Nice and nappy.
Nappy. He couldn't do a whole lot because of his foot. But it was a really nice island. We had a good lunch. We had some nice R&R. Now we're ready to go back to ship and get some cool beverages and maybe a little hot tub or pool.
The entire island is just so gorgeous, no matter if you're at the yacht club area or at other areas. He's such a goof. And you can go anywhere, and there is just a walking pathway through all of the different lagoons. There are trams, not trams, but the golf carts that you can get throughout the island that take you back to the ship or where you want to go. But they've always been pretty crowded that we've seen. One cool fact is they do have nesting areas for turtles, and they take the baby turtles at times to the lagoons to help control the jellyfish population. So that's really cool. And again, it is a marine reserve, so you can't take any of the shells or anything from the island to the ship because that's just prohibited. There are different places to eat, just like that you see as one of their pavilions, food court pavilions. There's 5 different food trucks that you can choose from, but although one of them it is paid to eat, there are different variety specialties, but all the other 4 are free. And you'll see the lighthouse right over here. You can take a little trip up to there. It's like $10 a person. You do have to climb 165 steps, so it is what it is. But they have snorkeling, paddle boards, beach fires at night, and a really cool light show that happens when it gets dark. Now when you get to the drop-off area, there are some shops there, but I'm going to tell you, save your money because it is quite expensive. And honestly, it's cheaper on board.
So even though we've already started eating, this is Thursday night, and this is our appetizers. I got the shrimp cocktail. We got the Asiago cheese fritters and the broccoli cheese.
And for people that say that their food is under seasoned, there's plenty of seasoning or salt in the soup. I like a little salt.
And look at our view. The lighthouse, the sunset. Beautiful. Bon appetit.
Look at the size of mine. It's the biggest water buffalo I've ever seen. Actually, it's a lamb shank. What'd you get?
I got the potato gnocchi.
Oh, yeah?
Dessert.
Sherry's Jubilee. It's best if you use your straw.
When you're stopping at every floor because someone leans against the buttons and pushes several, who would that someone be? Oh, also fit check. Here we go. It's Hawaiian, no, tropical night.
Tropical night.
So an evening stroll after our dinner. We're on deck 15 at the pool deck. Still not a lot of people on board because we're at the Ocean Cay Island. We don't leave until 9 o'clock and it's only 7:51.
But once it gets dark, you'll see that this area is going to turn into a tropical party, so it's going to be really cool.
We're just waiting on the light show at the lighthouse. So this is before. What a beautiful sunset. They're having a little party down there. And soon they'll be having a light show at the lighthouse.
Now you can watch the light show from the beach if you'd like to get off ship, but honestly, if you stay on one of the top decks, you can see beautifully, and I think it's a much better view.